So Nasdaq right now, together with Dow Jones, S&P 500, actually the US market right now is poised to maybe have another round of all-time high levels. So we might see further upside on Nasdaq, most especially that um, somehow it's priced in, unless proven otherwise, that probably the rate cut for next week and the inflation rate data is going to be delayed. I'm not really sure about that. And my primary premise is the government is still on a shutdown. And if we're going to look at, let me just show it to you real quick. So if we're going to look at the White House website, we're still on a government shutdown since 21 days ago. And this poses a lot of, it's kind of uncertain for the US market, but at the same time, if we're gonna think of it, the delay on rate cuts or the blackout of data is somehow giving a risk on sentiment on the US market, most especially with the stock market. So overall, I'm still quite bullish with Nasdaq. Same goes with Dow Jones, S&P 500. And actually, if we're going to look at the VIX, the volatility index, we are now down below the 18 level. So this tells us that despite the government shutdown, there is still confidence in the markets that people are actually willing to take some more risk by going into, of course, going into stocks, money rotating on risk on assets. So overall, we are bullish with Nasdaq, and I'd like to go look for potential longs on these fair value gaps that you're seeing in the charts. So I'd like to see a follow through on that until we reach maybe the 25,400 levels.